Have you ever felt like certain parts of your life still haunt you, even when they're long gone? Trauma, emotional pain, childhood experiences, they don't just disappear. Over time, these experiences can actually change our voice. The constant vibrations from an overpowering or angry presence, especially during childhood, can leave gaps in your vocal print, frequencies you no longer speak. It's your body's defense mechanism, protecting you from harm. But even after the person is no longer in your life, those missing frequencies often stay with you, silently affecting your health and well-being. And guess what has an effect on your manifestation too? But what if we could bring those lost frequencies back? Vocal profiling therapy helps you identify and restore the missing pieces of your voice, the ones you've been holding back for years. Your voice holds your story, and it also holds the key to your healing.